Thailand is an absolutely beautiful place with emerald waters, exotic marine lives, and endless Thai cuisine. With their colorful dishes of delicacy and a home of vacation and comfortability. Don't forget about those happy Thai massages. Enjoy. Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Krusty and the crew back again with another vlog for you guys, man. I hope you guys are having a good day, good morning, and good night whenever you guys are watching this, man. Check it out, man. I got the crew here with me, man. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
Yo, what's good? It's your boy Prodigy. You know what it is. We're back at it again.
Yo, it's Mariah, back at it again. Hello, it's Calvin.
Hola again, I'm Mama Krusty.
Hola, 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 hola. What's up, guys? It's Captain Planet. Here we are to try some Thai food.
We are here. We are going to be trying Thai food for the first time ever, man. Me, Prodigy, and the whole family have never tried Thai food, man. So I'm excited to try this place in there.
I've never heard about that.
You never heard of Thai food? Well, there you go. See, you feel me? That's perfect because it's gonna be our first time. You guys let me know, man, if there's any dishes down below in the comments that we should try. But other than that, let's get right into this review, bro. Let's get it, man. I'm excited. I feel like we're definitely gonna get a one-of-a-kind experience.
You even got the cakes right here, bro. You even got the cakes right here.
Oh, look, the kegs, you feel me? So I can hold Prodigy.
It's really nice here. I've never been here. It's on the second floor of a plaza.
It's pretty sick, my boy. Like, I'm not gonna lie, like the whole little RV style. Like, I'm sick with it, you know?
They have a whole car inside.
Whole car inside, bro. Like, it's a cool theme though, I'm not gonna lie. So right now we just put in our orders and everything. Right now we're just waiting for the food. They're getting it ready. We're getting it prepped. And now we just gotta wait to see what's up. I know my teriyaki chicken, I'm gonna fuck it up. But yeah.
Yeah, man, so like he said, we did just order, man. I got me the pad thai, which is probably the most famous original like bowl in Thailand that I just found out today. Never tried it. Like I said, I've never really tried original Thai food, and this place is really gorgeous, man. And I'm really excited for everybody, man. I feel like we got a different variety of things.
I'm big on teriyaki chicken, so we're gonna try this. I'm really big on this. Y'all see Phase Rug? That shit good as hell. That shit's good. I'm very picky with teriyaki chicken, so that shit's fire, I'm not gonna lie. If you never tried Thai food, you gotta come here, bro. It's a really good experience. It's pretty good. The ambiance is nice, and the food is just delicious.
Very good.
Yeah, that person looks like too much.
Muy delicioso.
I've never tried a papaya salad. No, as colorful as this is, that's what I'm tasting in my mouth right now. I'm tasting the vibrant colors. It's sweet. It's like sweet and spicy, but not super spicy, just bearably delicious. Amazing.
I'm gonna try this beautiful, delicious, scrumptious egg roast. Yeah. Huh.
Does it taste like Thailand?
Because of this beautiful egg roll, I'm about to gobble this down, my G. I'm gonna gobble it. Gobble it. Pretty good rice.
Look at him.
I went to 100 stages right now, and that's good.
Don't judge me on my chopstick skills, y'all. As you can tell, I don't know what I'm doing. Bro, I now recommend pad thai to anybody in the world. Dude, this is so good, bro. Yeah, you can try some. Dude, that's so fire.
I'm mad now, bro.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, bro. This is really good. Like,
I'm gonna come back for that one.
Absolutely one of a kind. We're gonna go ahead. We're gonna finish this review, man, with the family. You feel me? First time trying Thai food as a family, and this place is absolutely gorgeous. Customer service, I can already say 10 out of 10. You feel me? But we're gonna finish this, see how it all goes, how the review feels, and shit. We're gonna end it, man. But love you guys, man. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, comment down below if there's anything you want us to try.
Hi, hey, hun. I think I said it right this time. It was just really good food, honestly. I cannot lie. It was good. Teriyaki chicken was good, and the pad thai, right? That was what we ate right now. Yeah, the pad thai, what I tried out, it was good. Customer service was excellent. I loved it. You know, it was pretty perfect and everything. I like how they treated us like, you know, they treated us like family and everything when we came in. Very respectful. If you guys trying to get a quick bite and everything, or even trying to sit down, you know, take somebody out on a date, I recommend right here. I can't say the name too good, so I'm gonna just say right here. But yeah, peace guys, Prodigy's out. Peace.
Prodigy just gave a really nice review, but how your fat ass gonna leave the cucumbers, bro? Are you serious, bro? I'm on your head. I am on your head, Prodigy.
Hola, la comida me pareció muy rica, deliciosa, fresca y le doy un 10 al restaurante porque me encantó.
La comida de este restaurante me impactó en el aspecto de los sabores, muy sabrosa, todo está muy tierno, el vegetal muy completamente como recién cortado de las plantas, todo está muy bueno, los ingredientes que le ponen sabrosos, así que no puedo decir más que le doy un 10, es una comida muy excelente.
This food is refreshing, pretty good. I give it 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000 out of 10.
My rating review, it broke the scale actually. I tried it with the sauce, but I didn't like it. I think it's just I'm just picky like that, you know. It was really good. You should try this place out. The service is really great. They're really nice.
So we're here at Hey Hi Hey. Not bad. Really, really good actually. Really, really good. Very fresh. I had a good time here, and I would recommend it. It's a 10 for me for sure.
This food was delicious. For my first time trying pad thai, absolutely one of a kind, you feel me? Never tried it in my life, never had anything like it. And you know, this place is called Hey Ha Hey. If I'm not wrong, it's really hard to pronounce. I'm going with my second 10 out of 10 ever, you feel me? Because, you know, for it being our first time trying it, they give us great customer service. The food came out fast. For a restaurant, you know, a lot of restaurants take their time. Like they took their time and were able to give out the food quickly. So I really enjoyed it. Hey man, if you guys ever want to try any Thai food, bro, come try it out here, man. They are on Western and 3rd. And if you're in LA, bro, you feel me? This is the place to go to. Like I said, 10 out of 10 for sure. Thank you so much. We appreciate your service. Thank you. You guys are amazing. So yeah, man, we're gonna end this video. I appreciate it. Thank you so much for being amazing. Thank you. As you can tell, we got my family here. That was the first time as a family trying Thai food, man. That was amazing.
This is very good and you should go try it.
Nos gustó mucho la comida tailandesa, riquísima y fresca.
And any other YouTubers watching this,
Bye bye.
I want you to go try this.
You heard that. Y'all better listen.
Since we tried Thailand food, should we go to Thailand next?
So here we are at the end of our meal, and we had a great time as a family trying Thai bistro. It was delicious. You should come check it out.
Should we visit Thailand? For reals, man. We gotta try the real street food, man. But I love you guys so much, man. I appreciate Planet for recording. Appreciate my boy Prodigy for coming. Obviously, you couldn't finish the video, but that doesn't matter, man. You're a part of the family. This is the familia. You feel me? And we will soon, hopefully, visit Thailand. But other than that, from America and the whole entire world, the whole Krusty family and Krusty vlogs.